After complaints from state governments about harassment of customers, the central bank announced digital lending norms last week. The latest regulations are based on recommendation from its working group on digital lending, including lending through online platforms and mobile apps, constituted last January. The new norms stipulate that all loan dispersals and repayments are to be executed directly between the borrower's bank accounts and the entity, eliminating the presence of a nodal pass-through or a pool account of the loan service provider. Additionally, lenders will have to present all details of fees and charges in a standardized contract and would need to follow data privacy norms in accordance with the RBI rules. Consent and transparency have been made the cornerstone of the new regulations. While RBI is taking steps to regulate digital lending, digital payments are gaining traction. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in his Independence Day speech that India leads the world in real-time digital payments. Quote, "Today, 40% of real-time digital financial transactions in the world are happening in my country. India has shown innovation prowess to the world." Unquote. The Prime Minister said UPI has been clocking over 10 trillion rupees worth of transactions every month and volumes have surged to 6.28 billion. The banking sector in the country is also changing. HDFC and HDFC Bank announced a merger earlier this year to turn the new enterprise into India's second largest banking entity. Last week, the merger secured a nod from the Competition Commission of India. RBI had cleared the merger in July. The entities will still have to comply with RBI regulations and norms on lending and capital requirements. A 1.4 percentage point increase in the repo rate has not deterred borrowers as credit growth in the economy is picking up. Non-food credit for the fortnight ending July 29th jumped 15.1% compared to a year-ago period. The pickup in credit and improvement in bank performance are helping bring down the ratio of non-performing assets. For the first quarter, gross NPAs are down to 5.7% as per Bank of Baroda research. As rates are expected to rise further, it remains to be seen if the momentum will continue. A failure on the part of MSMEs can trigger the system.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
I am the blue of the limitless sky. I am the inspiration that lets success soar high. I will achieve, I will fly high. I am the I in SBI.
I'm backed by the nation's trusted bank, SBI, the banker to every Indian.